Resistor with bands gray, red, brown, silver. Gray represents digit 8. Red represents digit 2. Brown represents digit 1. So means I have 1 0 because the third band is my multiplier or number of zeros. That's why I have just 1 0. Silver is my tolerance plus minus 10%. The value of this resistance is 820 ohms plus minus 10% of tolerance. This is the solution to this problem. Next resistor has following color bands: brown, white, brown, gold. Digit, number of zeros, tolerance. Brown is 1, white is 9, number of zeros, I have 1, 0, and tolerance is plus minus 5%. The resistance of this resistor is 190 ohms plus minus 5%.